Hey guys, this is our first video in 2 weeks because we have been sick. This guy had his first cold and that was no fun at all. So it's just been a couple rough weeks. He was sick like almost 2 weeks, definitely over a week. And at the same time, we hit the 4 month sleep regression. If you don't know what that is, it basically means that at 4 months, it's like your baby goes back to being an infant and is not sleeping well. For a lot of people, it means they get up multiple times throughout the night. For us, it means that Magnus will not fall asleep in his own bed. Even if he's dead asleep and you put him in his own bed, he gets up, like he wakes up screaming. So that's been tough. And then also he wakes up multiple times throughout the night to eat again, which he hasn't done in a little while, but we're doing that again because it's a regression. So I guess you go back, you lose all your progress, which is really frustrating, but it's temporary. We're getting through it. So this is going to be a day in the life. I thought I might do like cleaning and certain things, but we'll see. We'll just see what I get to. I've also been a lot busier with work. Um, so I don't have as many days off to get things done lately. And now that it is finally my day off, I'm off today and tomorrow, and then back to work again for the weekend. I feel like I don't know if I just want to clean all day. Like I'd love to because I love a clean house, but I really just want to spend time with him and rest and enjoy my day off. So we'll see what I get done today. I'm not going to put pressure on myself, and we'll just see how it goes. Welcome to a day in our life. So I started off by getting myself coffee and getting a bottle for the baby and getting him fed. When I was pregnant, I just could not picture what life was like with a baby. So I would watch tons of day in the life with a newborn or an infant videos just to get an understanding of what you do with the baby all day. So that's why I try to include him as much as possible. After he ate, I put him down to play for a little bit and then I got some things done. As usual, just like I do every day, I had to put together all of these clean bottle parts. He was happy playing, so I decided to do a little bit of lunch prep for myself and make some quinoa because I figure I might as well do it now while he's happy, and then later when I'm hungry, it is ready to go. I've been wanting to try this blueberry cobbler recipe where you take cake mix and basically just put it over blueberries and you have yourself a blueberry cobbler. The thing is, I just didn't follow the directions right. I added water and eggs. I guess you're supposed to just add butter to the cake mix and then put that on top and it will be kind of like a crumbly cobbler. So I'm tempted to delete this entire portion of the video because the blueberry cobbler was not done correctly and it kind of came out funny. I'll link the recipe down below, but just don't do what I did. So back to my quinoa, it's all cooked, so I'm just adding some olive oil. I'm not sure what I will be adding to this later, maybe some veggies. but quinoa is really such a great base for a salad, especially if you're not the biggest fan of lettuce. Next, I tidied up and put some things away, put some dirty dishes in the dishwasher while I simultaneously made myself some eggs for breakfast. I've never really believed that multitasking is the most efficient way to do things, but now that I'm a mom, it sometimes seems like the only possible way to do things. I had a second and I got to fold the laundry that was starting to pile up on the couch. As you might know, this is an ongoing issue for us. It's just never ending. I know this bin kind of looks funny, so I'm going to explain it. It is our compost. We put all compostable food scraps in here and then dump it outside in the compost. There's many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow. I played with Magnus for a little bit and then I took him upstairs for a nap. I don't really know what's going on with his sleep right now. This was so unusual. He slept for an hour and then woke up for a little bit, ate, and then slept for another 2 hours. It's just so unpredictable right now. While he was sleeping, I got the blueberry cobbler out of the oven. It's more like a blueberry cake. I'm going to try again next time and see if I can get it right. It's not bad. It's just different. And then I cleaned up all of the pots and pans that were still in the sink and put them in the dishwasher. I had to make formula to last me through the rest of the day. I really hate making formula. We had the baby Brezza for a little bit, but we started to question whether or not it was functioning right, and that made me really nervous. So now we just mix up our own formula. I ate a little bit of lunch. This is the quinoa mixed with sweet potato. There's olive oil in there and salt and pepper. It was pretty good. I had to feed Magnus again. He's still pretty little, so he eats really often. And while I was feeding him, he spit up on himself and on me, so we had an outfit change for both of us. It got sunny out for a little bit, so I decided to take advantage of the weather and take the dog and the baby for a walk. I try to go for at least one walk a day with them. I decided that I wanted to cook dinner that night, so after our walk, we went to the grocery store. I didn't take any really good video in the store other than just a couple shots of Magnus hanging out in the cart. He's so cute. So I'm gonna make this lemon spinach pasta, so I got spinach. I got some cherry tomatoes. I might use these today. I might use them a different day. I got cosmic brownies because I really like these. These are a fun little treat to have. Spaghetti. I got 2 of these drinks. They're strawberry mint peach organic sparkling probiotic drink. Anything that's like kind of soda but not, I like. I got 2 cans of diced fire roasted tomatoes. I think I'm gonna use these for like a quinoa salad soon. I got pesto because I love to have pesto. I got ricotta for my recipe tonight. Parmesan cheese for my recipe tonight. I got these 2 things of Annie's macaroni. I like to have these to make for lunches. And I got some feta because I think that will be a part of like my quinoa salad that I make.
I always think of myself as a cook who likes hacks. Anything that will be easy and faster, I will go for it. This recipe is one of those. It's so easy. I also don't like to measure, so whenever I cook and I throw things in there and it turns out great, it's pretty satisfying because I know that I just eyeballed it, but then I have a really hard time replicating something. Magnus decided to join me at the end. He always gets a little bit clingy sometime later in the afternoon. I think he just gets tired of me trying to get things done and says, enough of that, it's time to cuddle. This turned out so good and it was incredibly easy. Okay, that is it for the video today. So I feel like I accomplished enough. I didn't go crazy. I got to enjoy the day. We spent some good time together and I got some things done. It's important to have that balance, not, feel like you have to get everything done in one day, especially when things have been crazy and gotten a little bit out of control. It's not going to get all fixed in one day. So thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye.